Hey guys, we're going to Epic Universe today. It is our third day at Epic Universe.
No, it's not.
It is our fourth?
It's our fourth day at Epic Universe.
It's our fourth day at Epic Universe. Today we are sadly checking out of the Helios Grand, but we are checking into Stella Nova after we do a little early entry today.
I'm excited to see Stella Nova. I think, can we just catch a bus there?
Yeah, I think so, from the front of the park. And then we'll get to see the front of the park too, which we haven't seen yet.
Yeah, so that'll be cool. Let's go!
So getting through security at the hotel took a little bit longer than usual. How long did it take? About 15 minutes?
Yeah, maybe 15 minutes, yeah.
The staff did say that that was not normal.
Here we go again.
I love seeing staff with like the staff badge dressed in plain dressed clothing, just looking at things like are they making changes? What are they doing? What are their roles?
I didn't even notice they were staff. Yeah,
no, I always look for that. I always look for like plain dressed, like kind of nicely plain dressed people with staff badges in all the parks. So I'm like, who are they? What did they do? The band. Oh, it actually moves. Oh, cool.
It's not.
Oh, also I forgot to mention that we are dressed for How to Train Your Dragon today.
Yeah.
So I got my little guy, little girl. Cute. I got green crystal earrings because I feel like they're kind of Viking, and they're the color of Toothless's eyes. Got my brown shirt and my mauve skirt.
I got the Hiccup colors and the plaids. And hopefully we get to meet Toothless today.
Yeah,
That's
we
on
are
the
really
agenda
gonna
for sure.
try to do that. What's the wait looking like? Looks like it's still only 5 minutes for Curse of the Werewolf. It seems to be one of the less popular rope drop rides. And they also seem to kind of constantly change which rides you can rope drop at early entry. So when we're going, it's mostly just Curse of the Werewolf or like the Mario rides, which we don't like.
I am keen to do Minecart Madness one more time, just to...
Keen is a bit of an overstatement.
I'm keen, you're
I'm not keen, but I'll do it.
Yeah.
Shocking.
Because it's the bolts from Frankenstein, so it shocks the monster.
Oh, cursed? We're gonna just take a seat now and see if we can figure out where we want to eat for breakfast. We could walk on to Curse the Werewolf again, but I feel like we've just done it a lot of times now.
Yeah, and it's best at night time, so...
Emma really wants to get a baguette from the greatest land here, but all the breakfast options at the cafe are full of dairy and cheese and cream, so I'm gonna eat at the other quick service in the Wizarding Land, Le Gobelet Noir, and I'm excited. Galba! They have cinnamon Bavarian pretzels at the little stand just outside the Wizarding entrance. I'm so excited because my favorite snack to eat in Universal has always been the Auntie Anne's pretzels. And it's Bavarian. Ooh, Deutsch pretzel. Not as good as Auntie Anne's. Wow. God, I love it. It's so detailed. So much going on, the smoke. Finally, we are eating outside. I'm so excited. It's so nice. Dude, what a view. I'm so happy right now. Feel like I'm in flower power.
Come all this way to feel like you're in flower power.
I could not be happier with my birre and my cinnamon pretzel. What an amazing morning. They did say that when you order it at breakfast, it's 12 ounces. Like I know what that means. And when you normally order it, it's 16 ounces, so it's smaller, unfortunately. Okay, so I was just thinking, like, how am I gonna... I have no cutlery. How am I gonna get this cream? And then I thought about something insane. Holy moly. Yeah, I was gonna say something else, but yeah, holy moly. Holy moly.
I got the oof. That was crazy.
Cheesy eggs.
Cheesy mashed potato
Oh,
that it's in.
sheesh.
Yeah.
And the cheese is brie, right?
Gruyere?
Oh.
Yeah. I don't know how to pronounce it. Oh, dude.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much.
She got that lavender lemonade.
Now, I do feel quite ill whenever I eat egg whites that aren't cooked all the way, so I'm gonna just eat.
Pretend it's cheese or potato.
No, it isn't like I physically get very
Oh.
ill. So, we'll just eat the rest. It's the same reaction you get every time. So.
Yum. That was delightful. We're now gonna go over to where we belong, the Isle of Berk, to hopefully do both of the rides there and hopefully try and meet Toothless. Dragon Race's rally is now up to 25, but we think we're still gonna do it. We got in line and yesterday we waited 25 minutes for that and the line was starting way further back, so I'm kind of skeptical as to whether it is 25 minutes or not, so we're just gonna hop on Hiccups instead because that's only 40. Once we got out of the bathroom, the wait went up to 55, and I think I'm still too worried about breakdowns and things on that ride, so we're gonna see if we can meet Toothless instead. See the wait time?
That doesn't seem right. That line doesn't look that long.
I don't know if I want to find out.
No. Trust and believe I don't want to find out, but well.
Monsters Unchained.
I'll never say no.
Yeah, let's have a seat and think about what to do. Curse of the Werewolf is still 5 minutes, so we're just gonna go do that again and probably then hop on Monsters Unchained because that's only 25 minutes as well. And even though we've gotten on Monsters Unchained with much shorter waits, it's still a ride that's definitely worth waiting. 25 minutes is not very long at all.
Yeah. Lines, the Dark Universe definitely get longer at night. I think because most people, if they're doing one day here, probably think, oh, it would be coolest to see this land at night.
That's a good point.
Let's
But then,
do the rest.
but then Monsters Unchained was a walk-on last night.
That's true. I think Monsters Unchained is just like so efficient that it basically never has a long line.
The Curse of the Werewolf has gone up to 30 now. These wait times, they be climbing. So we're just gonna head on to Monsters Unchained. It's still 25 minutes, which again, I think with every wait time in the park climbing, I think we really are demonstrating your theory that because this is a people eater,
Yeah,
it just stays low.
It is about 10:30 now, which also makes me think like the lines were low and then a swarm of people for the normal entry time at 10 have come in, got situated in lines, and then they've all kind of been updated in quick succession.
See? There's nothing to be afraid of. He is amazing. Better than the original.
Well, that wasn't 25 minutes. We walked straight onto the pre-show.
Yes!
And now we get to see Darkmoor in the rain.
So spooky.
Oh, looks like that means Curse of the... That means wait times are about to get longer.
Yeah.
Because many, like Hiccups will be down, Dragon Race's rally will be down, Curse of the Werewolf, Minecart Madness. We are just gonna go grab our bags from the Helios Grand and transfer over to Stella Nova and check out that resort. Bye bye. We have just arrived at Stella Nova as using an Uber as per the advice of the luggage staff.
Definitely seemed like the right idea.
Yeah, it was only $7 USD.
Yeah,
7 or 8.
and so quick, like 5 minutes to drive
Yeah.
here. So that's definitely the way to do it.
Because you can take the free shuttle from Helios to City Walk and then take a shuttle from there, but considering how cheap the Uber is, it's a lot less hassle. This was really nice.
Really cool. We're gonna see the walk. Oh, hang on. Which is this?
Yeah.
Thank you. No worries.
Ooh. Unfortunately, our room is not ready yet. So we're just gonna have to wait out this storm in here. But here's the pool. I mean, there's people in it. This is cool though. I do like the design.
Yeah,
It is very universe. Yeah. Our room is ready.
I'm assuming we're on level 3.
Yeah. Ooh, carpet.
Wrong.
Get it together, girl.
Give me a sec.
Ooh.
Cute.
Wow. We in space, dude.
Whoa, dude.
Hey, we can see Donkey Kong.
Hey. And the Isle of Berk.
Some of us have had a restful time in the room.
I don't. Oh.
Emma somehow spilled her whole water bottle on her bed and herself.
And just everywhere. Like, fully massive bottle of water. My bed is still wet. Bing bong.
Dude, why is there a cowboy hat? Oh, is that a fireman's hat?
I think it is, but
I choose to believe it's a cowboy's hat.
it's a button for cowboys only.
Oh, down there.
Ah,
Oh, should we?
that's the City Walk.
Oh, cool.
And
It would be good if they told you when the next bus is supposed to come, like Disney does.
it's a mystery.
Well, that was very, very quick. Felt like we sat down on that bus for 2 seconds and then,
We're here.
yeah.
Yeah, it's
I'm
good.
so excited to see the front of the park.
Yeah,
Still haven't been in that area.
yeah. I think seeing I think it's called the Kronos. That like front sort of sculpture will be cool to see.
Wow.
So cool. This is so sick.
I feel like no matter which direction you enter the park from, you have a really impressive, towering, kind of larger than life kind of feeling, because you have this at the main entrance, but then at the Helios Grand you still get to see that massive statue.
Yeah.
And the
carousel
fire
in the
and-
background.
Yeah. Well, should we go to the left if we're going?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind checking out.
Do you want to check out the store?
Yeah. There too, so let's
Maybe
check
some
both.
new merch.
Ceiling. So
Yeah. Oh, I haven't seen this.
This pin's crazy.
Wow.
Sheesh.
Do you need an Epic Universe Christmas ornament?
Yeah, dude.
That's a pretty great one. There was actually some merch we hadn't seen before in that store, so we're gonna head across and go to the other one now. Other Worlds Mercantile. Wow, that's kind of sick. That's really cute.
I do love this guy.
Yeah.
How do I? Hello?
Surely it's on the side.
Oh,
there.
maybe they just like pop
Are
out
they?
like
oh,
that.
Cool. And it's a different one in each one.
Yeah, that's cool.
Very cool pins here. Very nice.
Chocolate frog in that one.
Off for lunch. Something I am pleased about with the Stakehaus is that they've actually correctly matched the right gender of hulls. Because you remember when Pitch Perfect 2 came out and there was that German group called Das Sound Machine?
Yeah.
Well, it's not neutral, it's feminine machine, so it should be Die Sound Maschine. The Germans, they're upset, I was upset.
I think it would be fair to say everyone was upset by that.
Yeah.
When we watched Pitch Perfect 2. Das Steakhouse. So if this were feminine, it would be Die Steakhausen.
It would be Die Stakehaus, but it hurts me to even say that, to even hear that
Because
sound.
it's not right. Because
Yeah.
Learn something new every day. Yeah, in Die Steakhouse.
In Das, well, then it would be dative, so then it would be in dem Steakhouse, or just im Steakhouse. A giant toad hat inside Das Steakhouse is exactly what I love to see.
Oh, that's me. A spring in my Das Steakhouse? In meine Steakhouse?
In meinem Steakhouse.
Meinem Steakhouse? Gosh.
It's time for a new Mr. Pibb flavor. Cherry vanilla, let's go. I'm scared. Are you ready for cherry vanilla?
Okay.
When standard already has cherry and vanilla?
I don't know if anybody's ready.
Smells intense. It's like normal Pibb, but
It's
more in.
It's Pibb. It's certainly Pibb Extra.
Yeah, that's right.
I don't understand this.
I think just normal Pibb / Dr. Pepper or Pibb vanilla is the way to go.
No, I don't think any of them is the way to go. We got our burgers.
I know this smells so good. We both got the blood orange chicken. I can smell the paprika on the chips. It's so good.
Blood.
I don't know how I feel about that.
Yeah, do you see what I mean? It's not bad, but it is strange.
Right, that the chicken is very tough.
Right, yeah.
And then the blood is sweet and sour sauce, kind of.
Yeah.
I'll update you on how I feel by the end. I'm not sure. I'm sorry that I can't tell you what this tastes like, but all I can say is that it's bad. I really don't like that.
I feel like the sauce, in some capacity, tastes like soft drink, like a.
I don't find that. I find it really bitter.
Oh, I don't. That's weird.
Yeah. I don't know whether it's the coleslaw. But it said it was a familiar slaw, and nothing about this is familiar to me. I love coleslaw.
Like a vampire familiar?
Oh.
I was trying to work out if I said, because I'm like, are you.
Wait, what does that mean?
you know, like a vampire's familiar, they have like a human familiar that like does their bidding, and the whole promise is that like the vampire will turn them into a vampire one day.
But how does that translate to coleslaw?
Oh, I think they just put a vampire word in front of the word coleslaw.
Luckily, I have Pib to wash it down.
I've been learning some German to adequately
Don't tell people I taught you that.
convey my feelings about Herr Pib. Herr Pib ist mein Feind. Ich not lieber Herr Pib. Herr Pib. He's on my hit list. I'm gonna get him.
That was probably the only meal I've eaten in Epic Universe that I really didn't like.
Yeah, it was the Coca-Cola schmeckt.
Yeah.
The sandwich nicht schmeckt. Not good. Not delicious. I'm sure that's exactly what that means and how you would say it.
We're gonna wake him up with a nice loud roar, okay? Alright, on the count of three, okay? As loud as you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3!
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, it shows you to fall asleep while we're trying to do something for you. You think you're ready to get... He's too cute! And of course, everyone give it up for our volunteer!
Dinosaur. Beautiful green eyes.
We have made the decision to leave. Every ride is over 50 minutes.
Yeah. And then the rides that are actually good are like up to, you know,
2 hours.
2 hours for most of them.
Yeah.
Like, there's pretty much no ride I would stand in line for 2 hours for.
Wow. She looks so cool.
Yeah, she's awesome. I love, is that a bunny with wings?
Oh,
That's so cute.
it's so moon.
Yeah.
Got these plants too.
Yeah, I love those. Actually, this is probably... My mum used to have a garden where it was all plants that looked beautiful at night because they were all like
Could be.
silvery and like white flowers.
I guess we'll see tonight.
True.
But yeah, I think I actually love this more than the one up at the other end, the Helios end.
It's pretty amazing.
The Helios one is very like powerful, whereas this is very ethereal.
Yeah.
Can't wait to see it at night.
We're getting these little guys because I actually do like
All of them?
So
I know you want Dracula though.
That's true. I want Dracula or Frankenstein. I would also love the Wolfman one because I think it's very cute.
I like the Bride of Frankenstein and
Yeah.
Dracula the most, I think. Christopher hooked us up
Yeah,
with all our stuff.
He was a legend.
He was so nice.
Yeah, he was asking me who I wanted, and he was like, I hope you get them. Great choices. So I was like, oh, thank you. So I feel like I've been blessed with good luck.
Yeah,
Now I'm
Christopher
gonna-
manifested that for you.
He really did, and now I'm gonna get the Dracula Frankenstein that I deserve.
We're heading out now. We'll wait to open it in the room.
Yes, I'm building suspense for myself. Who knows? Somebody's in here. I hope we get a Dark Universe bus.
Oh, please.
I want to see him. Oh, I never did my Toad impression.
Okay, go.
Okay. What do I say?
There's no better place to do a Toad impression than a parking lot.
Hang on, it's hard when I'm laughing. It's hard when I'm. I give up.
Maybe the
I
voice
can't-
actor of Chef Toad deserves more credit then, huh? Surprisingly, this quick service has almond milk, which the Helios Grand only had normal milk. So I feel seen. We're gonna grab some milk and cereal for the morning. Here are the cereal choices. Frosted Flakes.
The bride. There's only one woman.
Wow, that's
typical. Okay.
Women can be evil.
Yeah! Well, the Frankenstein's monster and the Bride of Frankenstein are not evil anyway.
I wish they'd do a Victoria one. I do really love her.
Yeah. Okay. Oh.
So we're hoping for Dracula.
We're hoping for Dracula. Frankenstein are my top two. I would also love the Wolfman. I do think the creature from the Black Lagoon is also very cute. But I would genuinely be happy with any of them. I'll show the camera first. What are we working with?
It's wrapped.
Guys! What are we working with? Okay. Shape feels promising! Christopher! He manifested this into existence! This is the secret special one, dude!
That's the best one.
That is literally, it's like the special mystery that's like...
It's
hard
not
to
even
get.
previewed on the box.
Yeah, dude. And Christopher asked me who I was hoping for, and I said Dracula or Frankenstein. He's like, oh, I hope you get them! He was a legend, and I was like, dude, he's got this in the bag for me. I'm getting the secret one. And I did! Oh my god, it comes with a little... He's got a little stuffed toy and a sleeping mask.
Yeah, because he's sleeping.
Oh my god, hang on.
I don't know whether it's Christopher, like...
Well, it was
because it was spelled with a
very-
K and a double F.
Yes.
So I don't know whether it's like the Scandinavian, like
Okay.
Christopher.
Just in case,
But
thank
anyway.
you. Dank, no, that's German. Tack, Christopher.
I mean, he sounded American though, so anyway.
Thank you, Christopher. Okay, let's put this on. Oh, he's so sleepy. Oh my god. Yes. Look at this boy. Mein Junge.
Alright, we're gonna take a bit of a break. We'll see you when we head to dinner. We're trying to go back out to the parks for dinner, but Emma can't find her lanyard.
I lose everything. I lost my headphones, and then I found them looking for my lanyard, but the lanyard's still gone. Oh god.
Is it near the door? Wait, why was it at the bottom of your bag?
Suitcase. That's a great question. Anyway. I told you I could do a good Toad impression. What did I say? I've delivered now. Get me in the recording booth. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No, that was bad. Oh, I joined in. Closing the goddamn door. Let's go. Wrong way.
Oh. Yeah. Did your shorts dry from earlier? From when she spilled water on herself.
Different shorts. I had to change shorts.
I think that's an automatic door.
Epic universe. Let's go.
We'll be good. Amazing nighttime vibes. Wow. Wow. No, but for real. I actually love how it says gardens, green, and epic worlds to fill your dreams, because those are the two things I love the most. Like, I love nature, and I also love fantasy and imagination.
I love all the stars like on the little gates up here. It's so cute. This is so beautiful.
Wow. The Helios looks insane too.
Yeah. This whole park looks like unbelievable at nighttime.
Yeah. Oh, I love how purple it is. It's so ethereal.
Yeah, it really is.
What mystical powers do these waters hold, dude? It is a bit of a Pandora feeling.
Yeah, it's that those
Magical nature.
It's like Pandora but more spacey as opposed
Yeah.
to like foresty, magical forest. It's
I don't
like,
find it's like spacey. To me is very like Jetsons, very Tomorrowland,
Yeah,
whereas
yeah.
this to me is more celestial.
yeah, celestial and like in the way the Greek gods like being up in like I forget what they call it. Doesn't matter, but you know.
Do you not recall Hercules
What's it called
from last
again?
week? Olympus?
Olympus. That's it. Also, I was right.
Hang on, turn to me, I can't hear you.
I was right. These white flowers look so nice at nighttime. Like they just like when you see it in perspective like this, like they shine a lot more than other colors would.
Yeah.
Nighttime garden. Take a photo.
We are making our way to, can you believe it? Cafe Lair de la Sirene.
Let's go.
I
I'm
am,
gonna eat that baguette. This is so much fun.
yeah, I would have loved to go to the other restaurant in Wizard Paris to get some knödel or some other German food, but I'm also happy to go to the other one. And I do think that the interior is a million times more enjoyable and detailed than Le Goblet Noir.
Yeah. Plus, sometimes your tummy hurty and you gotta eat some.
My tummy
Some
has
roast
been
chicken.
hurting. So I need some healthy chicken. Dare you say what?
Dare I say, Celestial Park might be my second favorite land, quote unquote, of all of them.
I don't think that's daring. You've always been looking forward to Celestial Park.
It's true, but it was kind of low. Not low in my rankings, but it was just like, I don't know. It's taken me a minute to like fully allow myself to just be like, yeah, this. Especially at nighttime, and especially with that whole front section of the park, like it's just. It's so mystical, magical.
I never realized there's a Pegasus on top of that carousel.
Oh, is it? I want to ride it at nighttime so bad, but it's always got such a long line.
Maybe tonight's the night, you never know.
Come on.
It really, at night, does feel like you're kind of in a celestial park.
Yeah.
Like in
the most literal sense.
yeah, like in a park full of nature, but also it has this kind of godly feeling to it. It does feel a little bit outside of the natural plane.
Yeah, yeah.
It does feel magical.
It does, which is what I love about theme parks. I'm like, I don't feel like I'm in real life. I feel like I'm in a magic land. But it
Where everything's
resembles
perfect.
Yeah, exactly.
Except
it
the lines.
resembles real life, but in a more mystical, magical way.
Incredible nighttime entrance.
Yeah, really good.
just waiting for Emma to go to the bathroom, and I never noticed that some of these lights are on to show that people actually live there. Some of the curtains are kind of pulled back. Love the detail. I'm so happy we're sitting here.
Yeah, this view is so nice too. You've got the circus.
We've sat in every different corner of this place now.
Yeah.
I'm trying the chicken for the first time. That's really nice. It's just high quality chicken in like a herb dressing. Potato. Same thing, high quality roast.
Yeah. Just what you need when your tummy hurting.
Those meats at those chippies, you know they're good.
Get into it, Gail.
Oh my gosh.
I've been waiting for this baguette. This is the ratatouille baguette. I've only ever had, I make my own ratatouille at home, which is pretty delicious, but it's still just like roasted veggies and stuff. So I thought it would be really good on a baguette. Let's see.
I can smell the rocket lettuce. Love it.
Yeah, rocket, like pesto or something along those lines.
It just suddenly started raining.
That's crazy.
You can kind of see it in the light there, hitting the roof. But yeah, it just suddenly it was all like hitting the thing above us. It was really nice.
This vibe is so good.
And now you can see it kind of making the streets a little glossier. I love it. Cute.
I was just saying, I love characters, like I love that Epic Universe has so many characters that just walk around ambiently in kind of all of the lands. Like they all use the word immersive, but like it really is, I feel like this is the park where I feel the most genuinely, truly immersed, as much as every theme park claims that. Like here I really do feel like I walk through the portal and I'm in Wizard France, I'm in a land of Vikings, you know?
Especially, I just love that there is no sightline. I just love that you cannot see any other evidence here that you are not in 1920s Wizard Paris.
Which is what Disney has always done extremely well, and Universal has kind of never quite got for the most part, and so I'm glad that they've sort of made a real point of doing that for this theme park, because it makes a massive, massive difference. Every single place you walk, there is something beautiful to see and to look at. It's my favorite thing about theme parks is you feel like you've left the real world the second you walk into the park or even approach the park. It's so good that Epic Universe has such a distinct personality. It's why I love because we've been following these announcements for so long, like when that kind of concept of like the portals and everything came about, I was so into that because I was like, this gives the park an identity, like, and a story kind of to its whole existence in the way that the Disney parks do.
The whole thing,
yeah,
sorry.
No, sorry, go ahead.
The whole thing is complete and cohesive instead of just being this randomly thrown together thing.
But it's so clever because it's still the way that they've done like this portal thing and the main bit being like the Celestial Park or whatever still allows them to do kind of mismatched IP based worlds or non-IP, you know, with Dark Universe it's much less IP based. They can kind of combine all these very different lands and expand it in kind of whatever way they want, and it still makes sense as a story, which I think is like extremely clever. It really does feel like this is the future of theme parks. This is like a big moment in theme parks.
And that's so exciting.
History. It's so, because
it's
like,
setting a new standard.
Exactly, because I'm like, what does this mean for theme parks across the board? Like, what's going to happen next because of how good this is?
I think the world has always responded to what's been going on in Disney World and partly in Universal Studios as well, because it was Universal Studios creating that, correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe Universal Studios, with their concept of like a behind the scenes, behind the movies kind of, they did a tour and they did Jaws and all of that. That was what then prompted Disney to do what was then called MGM Studios, which is now Hollywood Studios. And I then see that theme of Hollywood reflected in even our little Australian theme parks like Movie World. I don't know for sure that that's the case, but I do have the impression that Movie World, having that movie theme, came from the success in Orlando. So I definitely think all theme parks around the world watch what happens in the Disney and Universal Orlando theme parks.
I'm getting my no, I think that's true, because even like when we've seen Movie World as recently, I haven't seen it yet in person, but they recently opened Wizard of Oz themed land, and you can definitely see the inspiration from this like current sort of trend in theme parks of like immersive lands, immersive worlds. Like they've clearly tried to go, oh okay, like we need to create like a land that feels like you are in the Wizard of Oz, which was really not happening in Australian theme parks before Disney and Universal like started to put such a focus on that.
Yeah, and I think that kind of started with Pandora being so immersive when,
or even dare I say it started, sorry to interrupt, with Harry Potter from Universal.
That's true, actually, yeah.
Because Pandora was kind of, in a sense, Disney's response to Harry Potter, and everybody doubted them, and then it turned out incredible.
Wow. Yeah, and then, because I think most theme parks for such a long time have thought that it's all about the rides, particularly those very high thrill, intense rides. But I think what we're moving into now is, of course people still love rides, but it's so much about the theming and the total overall experience, which I am so excited about.
Yeah, because also like the reality is a park that's more highly themed is going to bring in more revenue, because you can sell more merch, you can sell more themed food, whereas like a regular amusement park like Six Flags or something like that, like, you know, the best you might sell is like a t-shirt with Six Flags on it, whereas here, like I mean, I've seen it, I've wanted to buy so much stuff because of how like incredibly themed it is. I like want memorabilia and all that kind of stuff, so it kind of plays into the favor of the parks as well in terms of like, how do we make more money?
And it does create more of a feeling of, I feel like it does generate more return visitors as well, because it creates more of an emotional connection to the parks. It creates more nostalgia. Like, I loved when I was a kid this ride in Movie World, which was a Scooby-Doo ride. If that had just been a plain coaster and not fully themed to Scooby-Doo, which I loved, I wouldn't have felt that. I wouldn't have been begging my parents to go back, you know?
All that to say, like, yeah, I'm like extremely impressed by Epic Universe, and I hope that more theme parks do stuff like this.
We are gonna try our luck again in the Isle of Berk for any of the rides there. I'm meeting Toothless.
Yes.
I love the wand.
Somewhere out of the center of this thing. Is that whole world?
We decided to check on the way to meet Toothless, and it looks pretty short, though it's saying 45, but we're gonna give it another go.
The lichen?
Yeah, have you heard the tale of the lichen wing?
Who's been bitten by the mighty werewolf?
My friend right here. Look at his feet.
Oh, she looks horrible! Oh!
No.
Oh! Oh, then give me strength to have to deal with that! Oh! That just looks horrible! You must be going through so much pain, madam!
No, Carver, it's the small child with the Night Fury shirt.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah, that looks real bad! Oh!
Yeah. Do you think Gothi might have a cure of some sort?
Well, he's got 30 feet.
Yeah, I know, but that's part
Don't
of
you
it.
think if Goldie had a cure for 30 feet, she would use it on the silver? Hold up!
That was so cool.
I'm so glad that I kept my little guy.
Yeah.
His reaction was so cool.
Hopefully, I'm sure it got captured on the video, but he's like, when he saw it, was just like, ah! It's so cute.
Oh, that was so fun. And it definitely wasn't 45 minutes. It was like
No.
15 maybe.
Yeah. And I think it's so cute when you like put your hand on his nose, it like kind of rumbles, like it really feels
It
like
is so
he's real.
Yeah, the way he moves,
Yeah.
his size, everything is. I have no
amazing.
idea how they do that. Like,
No, it's like whatever they do, it's incredibly good illusion because it legitimately just feels like you're petting a real dragon. And we had that whole fun interaction with
Hiccup and
I forget
the other,
his name,
yeah.
the blonde guy before. Very, very cool. I guess let's have a wander back towards Dragon Races Rally and see if it's still.
Well, maybe we'll check on the app. Okay, so Dragon Races Rally is still 25, so we're gonna try and do that. Fingers crossed we get in a good spot this time because it really makes or breaks the ride.
Yeah.
Genuinely, if you are at the front or on one of the edges, favorite ride in the whole park.
Wow.
You're flying, dude.
It's true.
I almost cry when I go on that and I'm on the edge.
Hell yeah, brother.
Friendship with Berk restored.
True, meeting Toothless was big. That was huge. Huge win.
It says the wait for battle at the Ministry is only 20 minutes now. It seems to really, well, sometimes go way down at night.
Yeah.
The closer you get to closing.
It by truly a crazy level. It's as if like suddenly nobody joins the queue.
It's so bizarre.
Which is strange to me because I'm like, surely everybody would see the long wait time and be like, let me go join that queue.
Because it also makes no difference whether it's an indoor ride.
Yeah.
Because they know everything's been down.
It's really weird, but I'm glad it's kind of working in our favor.
Those toilets do smell like vanilla, and they have the European thing above it,
Yes.
and the water spins. That doesn't happen in most American toilets.
Wow, immersive.
What can I say? I'm pretty passionate about theme park toilets. Like, if I had to choose a favorite, I would choose that one because the smell is incredible.
It is good. I'll hand it.
Oh, I'm so excited to go through the Metro Flu again.
This whole queue is really good. So.
Yeah, I'm excited just to see the queue again, and that statue is crazy. Oh, I'm at the Ministry. That's so sick.
It's so sick.
Kingsley, my dude. I don't think you can truly appreciate how massive this room is.
Unbelievably enormous.
This is looking like a walk-on actually, not 20 minutes. Maybe the 20 minutes is the time it takes to walk through the line because we're already nearly at the loading station and I can't see any line.
Yes! Double walk on for this ride.
I did feel nauseous again. It's not that bad, but I do think the absolute scale of it and size is incredible.
Yeah.
I think the Death Eater animatronics are also they look exactly like humans.
Yeah.
I just wonder why they chose projections for the faces of the movie characters.
Yeah, not just because they do projections for what's her name? For Victoria in Monsters Unchained.
Do they?
Yeah, in the main pre-show.
Why does it look a million times better?
Well, that's my question. I think the reality is it's likely like AI for the Harry Potter people's faces, whereas maybe they got an actual actress that they could kind of, you know, map to Victoria. That's my best guess, because it does look a million times better for Victoria. I mean, not all. I think in the actual ride, I can't remember. I think it's not projection, but definitely the pre-show it is. Which I still don't love. I much prefer an actual animated moving face. I also think the way that the carriage moves feels very realistic. I mean, because of all the screens, it can be a bit nauseating, but it does really feel, in my opinion, like you're flying around. That's good, I think.
We're heading home now during the water show. It's about to be the Dark Universe section. Hopefully if we leave in the middle of the show, it means no lines at the buses. But I wouldn't expect lines at the buses to be too bad anyway.
Yeah.
I think this was an unexpectedly great night.
Yeah, I had an amazing night.
Loved meeting Toothless. Walk on to Battle of the Ministry.
Dinner was really delicious.
Yeah, that
and the,
too.
like
The rain.
Yeah, the atmosphere when it was raining, but then it didn't end up impacting like the lines of the rides that we wanted to go on too much. Yeah, I'm really glad that we went back and rested and kind of came back and were able to like really make the most of the night, stay till closing, all that kind of
We
stuff.
still escaped waiting in super long lines today.
Yeah.
But got to do lots of rides.
Yeah.
This is what our line's looking like. Not too bad. I think we'll maybe just either just get or just miss a seat.
Yeah.
But it's
Yeah.
only a 4-minute trip anyway.
Yeah.
And our bus is here.
Yeah.
It really looks like stars.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Wow. Alright, we're back in the room now. What was your most epic moment of the day?
I feel like we're gonna have the exact same one.
Yep.
But meeting Toothless. All the little details in it, like the way that, like when he kind of growls when you put your hand on him, like you can feel it.
It's kind of like a purr. Kind of like a cat.
Yeah. You can like feel that, and like all of his like expressions.
It's not just some costume where, like, you know, it's just some person in there and they're just waving their hands. Not that anyone's in a costume at Disney, like, that's actually Mickey Mouse, but...
Yeah. It's not on like a loop of particular actions or anything. He can like react to stuff. So like when he saw the little like plushie on Christina's bag, he was able to make that like big smile face. I think it was so cute.
Yeah.
And like makes it very special. So like if kids are wearing like Toothless merch or some things like that, like they can have the dragon react to things that people are saying and doing. Like it just makes it extra special.
We are going to be taking a rest day tomorrow, and then the next vlog that you'll see will be our final day at Epic Universe.
I'm so sad.
It is sad, but we have loved it here. Absolutely loved it, and we are definitely going to be coming back. So, we will see you guys in the morning. Bye.
Bye.